Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome to Life of Naman. So the OnePlus has its latest offering as OnePlus Nord, and it's a kind of a mid-range flagship premium smartphone, and it's about to launch on 21st of July. And the invoice for its product launch, and yeah, the product launch, it's gonna be an AR smartphone launch, first of its kind. And AR, if you don't know, it's augmented reality. It's something that is in between a physical reality and a virtual reality. Virtual reality is basically it's all, it just pushes out the physical world and you just have a virtual world in front of you, but augmented reality basically displays components in a physical dimension. Example, Pokemon Go. So if you don't know, I am kind of a OnePlus fanboy, but I won't say I'm a OnePlus fanboy because fanboy is kind of a word that is not me. I like all products of other companies also, but I've been using OnePlus from past 5 years. First the OnePlus 3T and now the OnePlus 7, and I am really excited for OnePlus Nord. So what I just bought an invite to the product launch that is about to be launched on 21st of July in your hands. Yeah. If you are or if you're not following the OnePlus Nord Instagram page, they're basically giving a confirmed specs. As of now, they have confirmed Snapdragon 765 with the 5G rollout, and it's gonna be great with the 5G rollout, and the chip itself is amazing. And they've also confirmed a fluid AMOLED display. So yeah, AMOLED display, if the phone is gonna be in the range of 25 to 30k, of course you'll expect AMOLED display by now in 2020. And they've also confirmed a quad camera package at the back and two cameras at the front. So yeah, it's kind of exciting, but also very expected, I would say. Also, a wide angle selfie camera is approved and confirmed by the OnePlus in a very weird video.
Nord, a 105-degree ultra-wide selfie camera. No stick. OnePlus Nord. Pretty much everything you could ask for.
So as you've already seen, this is the invite that came in my Amazon order, and you can place the order for 99 rupees. The world's first AR smartphone launch, very cool. And you have this here, as you see, and there is a piece that comes out of here, as you are seeing, and on this piece is a QR code embedded, and you have to use this QR code with the OnePlus Nord app that you can download from Play Store or App Store. And actually it didn't work with the app itself. So that's pretty much it that you get in the invite package. So let me just show you very quickly how to enable this and get a OnePlus Nord in your hand itself. As I already mentioned, you can download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. This is how the app looks like, and you will be prompted to make an avatar at the very beginning when you open the app, and you will have to accept the permissions, storage permission and the camera permission and the microphone permission. So basically they are required if you want to experience the AR, if you want to get into the app. Now I tried doing this for a couple of times. Just waving and making circles around. That was the instruction given in the app itself, but it didn't work. But yeah, it actually worked on the ground. So probably could have been a mistake. Could have been the app didn't recognize the table for a placement of the phone. So as you are seeing on the screen right now, the phone perfectly places on the ground, and you can see just this on this app. But if you want to experience phone in your hands, basically go to this website as you are seeing on the screen, this link. I've also mentioned this link in the description below. Go to this link and just place your piece at the front of the camera, the piece that you get in the invite itself, and boom, you have the phone right in your hands. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will be buying the OnePlus Nord, not for myself but for one of my family members, and I will be unboxing it, doing all the reviews. Whenever it comes, I don't know. 21st is the event, launch event. Probably after 10 days probably it will be online to buy. So probably by the second week of August I'll have the OnePlus Nord in my hands. But who knows, let's see in the launch itself what's gonna happen and what's gonna be the price. I mean, whatever is the price, I'm sure it's gonna be between 25 to 35k. I mean, it's not gonna be more than that, because just around that price you get the OnePlus 8 with a way better chipset. So yeah, let's see. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, thumbs up the video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out. Wash your hands.